the channel. This is Steph's Got It, and this is part 2 of our Wednesday, March the 25th unboxing. I promised 2 today, so I did the first one. It was a DAC pineapple. So if you've not seen that one, go flip over to part 1 and check that out. This is part 2 where I promised to unbox. Make sure my address isn't showing. Choose to unbox my newest Maskcara beauty products. As you know, I am a Maskcara beauty artist, and I wanted to show you what I've got recently. So let's check it out. And you have to always love the beautiful job they do with packaging. So you see on that lid, there it says Maskcara. And then this is the smallest box I've ever gotten, by the way. So I am impressed that they still managed to put something on even the tiny box. And it has the 1, 2, 3, which is open, place, and get it on your face. All right, so there you go. And then the beautiful label on the sticker, nicely wrapped up. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's get you down here. I'll hate to tear the sticker and the paper, but oh well, there it goes. In each packet, you'll get one of these cards, which is a card that shows you where to place the makeup on your face. You'll often hear us refer to it as hacking, which stands for highlight and contouring, and that is the basis of the 3D foundation makeup. And on the back gives you a little more detail about that process. But you see, you contour, you highlight, you do your lip and cheek, and then you illuminate. And that is a very basic look. I like to refer to it as the natural look. This is what I do most days because I don't get up early enough to really do all that kind of serious makeup. And the second card you will get will be a eyeshadow diagram, and it shows you all of the different ways to do your eyeshadow. This is what I don't wake up in time enough to do, but I have found using mascara makeup that really I don't have to wake up that much earlier to do it. And since I'm notorious for doing car makeup anyway, blah, there you go. I can do several of these looks, if not all of these looks, in a little of, in a minute or so in the car. So you get these two. And let's see. They have the most darling packaging ever. This is what your tins come in. Oh my gosh, this one is flamingos. Yes! I'm going to make a necklace out of this one. Love it. So let's take everything out of the box. So as you see, I have several tins here, and I'll talk about that in a second. And then these, isn't that just adorable? Oh, all right. So we've got 4 of those. This was a very small package that I ordered because I just wanted these things. I didn't want to wait to earn them. I wanted them and I needed them in my kit. So there you go. And depending on how much you order, you get a free compact with each order. If you order at least 4 of these tins, which could be any combination of contour, highlight, cheek/lip blush, and illuminator. Any combination of those, if you order 4, you get 1 compact like this. Not like this. This is a double, so it's 2 layers, but you get this single layer if you order at least 4 of those, because that's your whole face basically. It's just one of these compacts, and you can flip it out and change colors at will. I ordered this one because I wanted to have it to put on display when I do facial parties or whatever, because I have a smaller one like this. Oh, and you can see mascara written on the bottom of it. It looks like it's written in silver or maybe a rose gold, but it's not the gold on my other one. Okay. So anyway, and you have choices between what designs you like. They also have a smaller one that's just a square. So if you order 4 eyeshadows, let's say that was all you ordered was 4 eyeshadows, then you'd get that little square and you could put your eyeshadows in that little compact. So you can always have a new compact. You can have one compact for your glam face, one compact for your everyday face. You know, you could just mix these things up and do whatever you like. So let me go ahead and show you the colors that I've got. Oh, there's our scrunchie from part 1 video. All right, so I got a bronzer. This is our Bella bronzer. Let's get that light off. Okay, it's a cream bronzer. We have the Bella, which is cream, and then we have Cayman, which is a powder. So I have the Cayman, but I didn't have the Bella. This Bella is a beautiful sun touched glow all over your face. It is beautiful, so I had to get that. Couldn't wait for it. This is Sunshine, which is a lip and cheek color. So you know that our cheek colors also double as our lipstick colors. And that, whoa, that is Sunshine that I've heard lots of raves about. It looks like it's red with gold flakes in it. It's very pretty. Cannot wait to try that. My favorite so far has been Black Cherry, but Black Cherry is a gloss. So I don't particularly love it as much on my cheeks as I do on my lips, but I do love it in both places. But I certainly wanted to try some of the creams that were not glossy. All right, so this is Dala. That's not a color I would see myself wearing every day. But as we do facials, of course, you always want to provide you with lots of options. And I'm going to try this because it's cream and they all look beautiful, and you can build them on top of each other. Like I could put this on and might not think it's quite the right color. I could perhaps put a little, this is Lolly. I may want to slap a little Lolly on top of it to make it just the perfect shade that I want. So you can do that. You don't have to, but if you want to mix and kind of, if you're one of those people who likes to create your own colors, then you're going to love the mascara makeup because you can dip in these tins and create whatever color you want to. This is Lolly, another color I wouldn't necessarily think I would use because it's a really bright pink. And I like my makeup really toned down, but I'm going to try it. And this is one of their newer contour colors, highlight colors, sorry. It's Muse, and it's for your darker skinned girls like me, or even darker than me actually. Oh, I don't know, I might try that. Currently I'm a cinnamon girl, but that might work right there in the wintertime maybe. Anyway, that's Muse, so I had to get that because there are a few faces I want to do that are a tad bit darker than me, and so we want to have that available. So let's move those up and let's see what eyeshadows we got. This is denim, and it actually does look like a pair of denim blue jeans. A very brand new crisp pair of blue jeans. Awesome. And then here we've got Mihaja. It's a very pretty pink. Okay. And here we have Bayou, which is a really beautiful shade of green. And I'm not really big on green, but that is beautiful. I had to have it. And last but not least, we have Kin, which is a kind of purplish, dark purplish color. It's very pretty, but it's going to be a very pretty crease color or top color. Yeah. So I told you it was a very small package. This one is in backwards, actually, compared to the other ones. Yeah, well, maybe not. Yeah, that one's backwards. It should be flipped the other way. Anyway, there are the products. And whoa, if you want to see how they just pop into the tins, so we're going to open that. Try to keep the mirror from blinding you. There we go. And you take your tin, you take the lid off, and you just pop it down, and bam, it sticks in there. You don't have to worry about it falling out. You don't have to worry about digging through your purse looking for all of your favorite colors to use for that day. You would, in this, put your contour, your highlight, your lip and cheek, and your illuminator, and bam, there's your whole face right there. And down here, like for the double that I carry, in here I put my setting powder and my some eyeshadows. My lip conditioners I put down here. We have two milk lip conditioners. One is peppermint and one is cherry. And I thought I had ordered that, but apparently I didn't. So that's just how they're magnetic, so they just plop right in there. You don't have to worry about them falling out. It's really cool. So anyway, there you have it. The colors are very pigmented. Look at there. I barely touched my finger to that. And look how much blue that is. Wow. Let's check out the other ones right quick. I suppose I should have done that when I opened them, but I didn't think about it. Oh, now I got a lot of that one, so it should be really, wow. Look at that. And the green. Oh, I almost put that in there. Oh, that is so pretty. And it's shimmery. That green is shimmery. And last one, Ken. Oop, I keep wanting to put that finger in. So there, on a brown skin girl, that's what this would look like. I know you see lots of swatches on YouTube and Facebook and whatever, but when they're swatched, you have to understand that just because it's that color on that person doesn't mean it will be that color on you. So on a brown girl, that's what these colors look like. On a brown skin. And let's see, this Muse, clean that off. Let's get some of that and swipe right here. Oh man, I may have to change my color. Look at that. I may have to change my color. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to change my colors. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. I may not be a cinnamon girl for long. And clean my fingers off. Lolly is also a gloss. Let's go this way. It's a gloss. And Dala. Whoa, look at that. That's why I said I would probably not wear that color. But I have lots of different races of people's faces that I want to do, so they might like that. These are all kind of creamy. And that's Sunshine. The oh, it's glittery. I hope you can see that. I can't tell. Let's see if I can put a little more on there. You see that? Oh. So it's right there. Anyway, so those are those colors. And now you get to, I just did my first swatch. I haven't done swatch before. I have to take a picture of this. All right, so there you have it, huns. That's what came in mine. You get a label to make sure that you got everything that you ordered. And let's see, I got everything. Yep, there we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Maskcara Beauty. I will post some videos later with some looks with these products and more as I get set up to do that. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. I love reading your comments. I love hearing your stories. You can continue to comment, Facebook, private message, all those ways that you have been contacting me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber, let me ask you to click that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, the little notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video on this YouTube channel. Whether you're a watcher or a subscriber, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. And with that being said, I'm going to wish you a good night. Happy quarantine. And remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.